In this video, I'm going to show you why holding 140,000 turbo is going to make you rich in the heat of the bull market. And mind you, turbo is 383 million in market capitalization. That means it has not hit 1 billion yet. That means it's very, very low. And Bitcoin at a very dangerous zone. All of these in this very video. So let's dive right into the details. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about cryptocurrency, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Turbo, if you look at Turbo right here, Turbo this very month is the best performing meme token. Look at it right here, and it is 48.6%, followed by this very guy, which is dog, and this is 32%, followed by emoji 28.7%, and the people coin. The people coin is also a meme token. And right now, Turbo is leading by 48.6% up this very month. That's in the last 1 month, okay? And right here, if you look at the year, if you look at it, Turbo is also on top of the list, following this very guy before the Pepe coin. And this very chain is increasing to the upside. And one important thing people are not noticing about Turbo is that it have a very, very little market capitalization right now. $383 million. It has not even hit a billion market cap, which means this token have a high capacity of increasing drastically to the upside to 1 billion, 2 billion, and even 10 billion and more in the heat of the bull market. And right now is the best time to take some Turbo or buy some Turbo into your portfolio. Look at this very guy is doing very, very well, followed by this, and this is at the top of the list right now. So for the past 1 year, Turbo have increased 2,830% and is going to the upside. Is going to skyrocket in the next coming days. I'm not going to show you that in a moment, so watch this video to the very end. If you look at the price of Turbo right now, I did this technical analysis in one of my videos, and I told you the best time to buy is now. And look at this market at this very price level of 0.0059. This is a very critical resistance on this very chart right here. And if we cross this level, we're going to see the price of Turbo begin to shoot all the way to the upside. And this very level of support is also a critical support that we have on the chart right here as well. Like I said in one of my videos, the best time to buy is now. And when you want to buy, you dollar cost average. Let's say, for example, you want to buy at the current market price. This is 0.0059. So you want to buy at this very point where the market is right now. So if you have, let's say, for example, $50 that you want to use in buying, you can buy $25. Okay. So if the market come back down, let's say, for example, you buy the other 50% that is remaining, so that when the market begins to move up to this very point where you bought the first one, you are already in profit. Then another scenario is you buy at this very price with 50% of what you want to use in buying, and then when market break out of this resistance, which is what I am expecting, for that major pump to come into the market on Turbo price right here, then after this breakout of this resistance, you buy another 50%, or you can do 25% as the market begin to move all the way to the upside. So this is how you dollar cost average, so that you take advantage of if the market drop back to the downside, you buy more, and also take advantage of if the market begin to move to the upside, which also creates more optimism about the market moving upward. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on turbo price. So I believe that this market is going to move to the upside. This is my own personal opinion. I don't expect this market to go below this very price level of 0.00346, this very area of support. I'm not expecting the market to go below this area. That means the possibility of the market coming back down is there, and as the market do move, market can go back into this very area and begin to move to the upside. So right now, if you want to buy, like I said earlier, you can buy at this very point where the market is right now of 0.00060. So you use 50% to buy, and then if market come back down to this very support, you buy more. And if you want to buy here as well, you can buy right now, and if market break on this very level of resistance, you can buy more as well, because I am expecting that major pump to come after we break out of this very level of resistance on turbo. This is very, very important. Now watch the video to the very end. I'm going to give a price prediction on turbo. By holding 140,000 turbo is going to make you very rich in the heat of the bull market. And if you look at this very area, turbo is doing very, very well. When you look at the year performance of turbo, and remember right now turbo is ranked number 209 position on coin market cap, and it runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Right now turbo is not on so many exchanges. Just very little major exchange have turbo right there, like OKX, Gate.io, HTX, MEXC. Is not a big exchange, but these first two right here, so it means that turbo have not been listed on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Uphold, and Robinhood. So when that listing comes, we are going to see a very, very drastic movement in the price of turbo to the upside, and that is why it is good to buy right now. Don't wait for when the price begin to move all the way to the upside. You'll be very late for that very move, and because you may not catch that very severe move to the upside, the best time to buy is right now. And Bitcoin is in a dangerous zone. Look at it. I was talking about Bitcoin not going below $60,000. So we see the market come back right now into this very area of 58,400, and we have rejection back into this very area of 60,300. Okay, so 60,300, and this very price level is still very critical to me right now, as you see this very dangerous move by Bitcoin yesterday just plugged right down, and this very level is a very dangerous zone, guys. And I believe this very zone is going to hold, but the possibility of market not holding here also exists, as it is normal in technical analysis. Right now, if we break here, the next important level we should be watching is this very area that the market touched last before the next move to the upside, this very price level of 5600. Okay, so 56,100 is where I am expecting this market to come into if we see a close below this very price level of 6,200. Okay, this very area of support. So this is what I am expecting right now on Bitcoin. I am expecting that the market still move to the upside, owing to the fact that the possibility of market coming into this very price level exists right now. But like I told you, in the next 1 to 2 weeks, I am expecting us to see a recovery on Bitcoin. So for those of you that are thinking Bitcoin is going to crash back down to 40, 30, that possibility is there. I am not saying that, but that is very, very minute. That is very infinitesimal. So I am looking at the market begin to recover from this area before the next move to the upside, or we can see the market begin to enter a more dangerous zone and then begin to recover from this area and move to the upside. So in the next 1 to 2 weeks, I am very sure about this, and it is my own personal opinion. I am expecting the market to begin to show some recovery. Even though market begin to move downward, we're going to see that recovery happen in the next 1 to 2 weeks. This is very important right now on Bitcoin. So where the market is right now is not a level to panic, okay? So if you are thinking that market is going to dip right down more, the possibility is there, but it's not on the high side. I am expecting that the market begin to recover from where it is right now, and we'll see the market begin to move to the upside. It may not be a drastic move from here to the upside. We can see the market begin to recover gradually in the next 1 to 2 weeks. This is my own personal expectation, and in my own opinion, market will begin to move to the upside once we see the US CPI data come out next month, and this is very important. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. On the Bitcoin chart, market is going to still move to the upside. So right now, Turbo is at 0.0059 or 0.0060. I am expecting that Turbo hits $1. Comment below, do you think this very token, Turbo token, is going to do $1? That means it's going to cancel 20. Do you think that possibility exists on Turbo? Comment below in the comment section. I want to see that. And by holding this quantity of Turbo is going to make you very rich in the heat of the bull run. Let's say, for example, you want to use $900, just $900, and you divide that by the current market price of 0.0060, okay, or 0.0060. Let's take that, and you're going to have this quantity of Turbo, that is 150,000. So, but let's say, for example, you buy a little than this very amount, and you have 140,000, okay, and you multiply that by $1 in the heat of the bull market, you're going to have $150,000. This is a lot of money with just $900 or lower than that. Let's say you use $500 to buy, or you're using $200 or $100 to buy. This is a lot of money, guys, in the heat of the bull run. I believe personally that market is going to cancel 2 zeros on Turbo, and that is going to make us hit this very price of $1 for one Turbo token. This is my own opinion, and this is very important. I am looking at Turbo as it goes to major exchanges. This token is going to get a lot of attraction, and money is going to flow into Turbo coin. Not only that, if you look at this very area, you discover that on the monthly analysis, Turbo is leading right now, and the best time to get this coin into your portfolio is right now at this very price. Get some Turbo into your portfolio, no matter how little it will be, and pay attention to Bitcoin right now at a dangerous zone. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. And if you've not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, and KuCoin, check the link in the description. Claim all the bonuses right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.